No mail is good mail. But yeah, wow, 10 new subscribers. Thanks a lot, everybody. I'm quite surprised. Thing is if you go on our YouTube page, it still says 11 subscribers, which I know it's not. It's got to be well over 50 now. I'm just blown away. Thank you so much. I'm so blessed. Wow. I didn't even think I'd get 5. And that's just, that's my kids and my wife. I don't even think my kids subscribed. But I know my wife did. But yeah, thank you so much. I'm just, wow. I'm speechless. Thank you so much. I'm just doing this YouTube thing for fun. It's just fun. It's just for that damn dog, man. All that dog does is bark. But today, I'm going to be messing around with this compressor. I'm almost positive there's dirt inside that tank. It's weird because I went online trying to buy a filter for this thing. I don't even think they make it. I don't think they make a filter for this anymore. So that's going to be a bit of an issue. So I ran the numbers and all that, the part numbers and everything, got online, and I don't know. I can't find it. I gotta clean up in here, damn it. Fucking junk everywhere. But we're gonna mess around with this thing, find out why it's blowing dirt everywhere. It might be inside this case. I've had it, I don't know. I've had this compressor for a while now, over 10 years. And I've done a lot of stupid shit in here where dust was flying. I don't know. I think it's in the tank. And look at my old, like that thing is no more good too. So I'm gonna think I need a lot more of that. A lot more filters running off it. So I think I'm gonna take this off. See if there's maybe some dirt down in here. And then I'm gonna fire it up. Because when I do have it running, to air up the tires or blow out the computer boxes that my kids have, no dust gets on here. Like a lot of it builds up in here. So it's gotta be inside this tank. So I think I'm gonna fire up, hook my spray gun up, obviously with nothing in it, and just pretend that I'm painting to see. But I am almost positive that it's inside this tank. And I read something briefly online where they're saying, I even tried getting on YouTube to see if people are doing it. I tried wording it right. I don't know. Maybe I'm not wording it right, but I haven't seen anything online. I've seen some guys in there with homemade tumblers. They would take everything off, put this thing on a tumbler, like a homemade lathe, and spin the thing around. But that's probably for rust and shit. I don't have rust, but this bun's got to come off right there. I read something about how they're filling it all up with water, some kind of soap, but I can't get it to drain on the bottom. I gotta show this thing some love. I don't know. Not being able to find that filter is, yeah, it's gonna be something else. I gotta figure that out too. So, maybe we'll fire this thing up. Yeah, we'll fire it up, see if anything kicks out of there and blows onto here. Because when I first got it, I primed my Mustang and I sealed it. So I primed the Mustang and sealed it, and it came out beautiful. It was just beautiful. Oh, it wasn't beautiful, but it was decent. Let's put it that way. So, yeah, I got some. Shit just clutters so quick in here. But wow, 10 subscribers. That's amazing. Thank you again. I don't know what to say other than thank you. You know, I'm just an average guy, you know what I mean? Doing with what I have. So a lot of you can relate to that. You know, I'm sorry. Even if I did have a lot of money, I don't think I'd send any of this stuff out. Because if I had a lot of money, I'd have a bigger garage, and I'd do it all myself. Because that's the fun. That's the fun of it all. You know what I mean? You do all this work to, you do all this work to your cars, and then you send it out and you have someone else paint it. You know what I mean? They're the ones having all the fun. You do all the work and you send it out to have, somebody else does all. I think we should fire this thing up, and I'll hook my paint gun up, and we'll pretend that we're spraying. Hold on, let me fire this thing up. It's really loud, and I'll get back to you. Alright, got this thing filled up. There's nothing, no dust, nothing here. Really nothing there. So we'll get this thing. And we'll just pretend that we're painting. Just to see. Call me on. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. We'll just pretend that we're painting. Just to see. I don't know. It's just, yeah. A lot of the dirt dropped. Yeah, I found it was all over, but yeah. It was all over. I mean, I've sprayed in some pretty dirty garages before and never got anything like this. I've even sprayed cars outside in the field. I never got anything like this. think I'm seeing something. I don't know. Could be wrong. I'll just run it for a few minutes. Figure what it takes, about what? 4 minutes to paint the hood. So we'll let this do its thing. And the mailman came by. He wanted to check out the olds. He was an older guy. He really liked it. He was saying that he's looking for a 78 Monaco or something like that. And I'm like, wow, that sounds cool. But I remember the checker flag, we would buy those cars up and smash them for fun. Not really feeling it. Well, maybe I am. Yeah, I feel some dirt here. Look at it. Clean this off again. Yeah, because it was a lot right here when I was spraying up here. It was just, it's like somebody dumped a bucket or something on here of dirt. Like, I know the floors ain't the best, but they're not, you know what I mean? Like I said, I painted them worse. See that? Oh, man. I think it's inside the tank. I really do. Let me just get some of this. And we'll try it again. Nothing there. Yeah, this roll-on thing, I don't know. It's alright. Go for it if you have to. But if you could spray it, spray it. Oh, guess we'll try it again. Let's just try it again. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Really, I don't. Yeah. Man, I'm so glad my kids aren't in school anymore. Grade school anyway, that was a nightmare. What a nightmare. Oh, Catholic school too, it was just horrible. When I first registered the kids when they were just little guys, they're like, school starts at 8:30. I'm like, 8:30? I'm like, alright, well, that's not so bad. Couple years go by. Oh yeah, the kids are gonna start at 10 after 8 now. I'm like, 10 after 8? Why is that? Oh, we gotta help compensate for the bus drivers or something like that. I'm like, well, is there somebody I can complain to? Like, my kids aren't even, they're not even up. It was still dark out. It's just ridiculous. But yeah, I'm glad. Well, I think we ran it long, and I'm almost positive this inside this tank. I should have filters and all that stuff. I know that's my problem for sure, is not having all that stuff on there. It's just, you see me wipe it. Look down here again. I feel something, I think. I know it's not ideal to have obviously your compressor there and it's blowing on. That is just retarded. I get it. Yeah. It's definitely not clean, right? So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean all this corner up. Just going to clean it up. Then I'm going to have to I like to clean the inside of that tank though. It's just really weird. All this, like there was a pile of dirt. It was like dirt nibs everywhere. Like I understand you're gonna get some nibs and stuff like that, but that was ridiculous. Like I said, I painted in worse garages than, like way worse than this. We didn't even wet the floors. And the paint jobs came out, well, decent anyway, good enough. Just ridiculous. First things first. Yeah, like I said, it's not ideal to have your shit there, your compressor there, and you're trying to paint. Oops, sorry. But yeah, 10 subscribers. Thank you. Not really sure what the hell I'm doing. All I know is I'm doing it. Not sure what. I mean, I had my paint gun set. Had it up, I cranked it 32, 28, 23, 22, and it was still doing that. I don't know. Either way, I think I should show this corner some love. Maybe take this off. Take this off somehow. I don't think it's hard to get off. Take that off, clean it all out, blow all this, clean that. I think that's what we're going to do. Yeah. All right, give me a second, man. All right. We're working on it. We're going to get this cover off. But before I get that off, I gotta get this guy off right here. So, already got, there was one on this side, back here somewhere. I got that one off right there. But just touching it, yeah, plus you'll see it's pretty dirty, man. Oh. Pretty sure I'm going, yeah, lefty loosey, righty tighty. That's weird because it ratcheted and now it's not ratcheting. Oh well. Just takes a couple turns here. I can probably get it by my hand now. Alright. I've never had this off. I had it for, yeah, like I said, a long time. Bought it off some older guy. He owned a construction company. He had like 4 of them. So I think I paid, pretty sure it was like $700. So yeah, I worked all week for this thing. Pretty sure those 2 screws and it should come out. Seems like there's something holding me up here. Maybe I can see what, is that a plastic thing? Oh, it is too, you dirty little sausage. Alright. Might have to, get something a little bit longer. Pretty sure that's the same size. Is that the same size? I don't even know where I'm at now, right here. Can't see. Whatever it is. Yeah, my finger hit the button. But yeah, it's like an Allen key. All these weird sizes on this thing. But yeah, I think we get this off and it's gonna come off. And of course I drop it somewhere. Oh, look at that. Well, today's my, oh, the magnet. It magnetized to the, oh yeah, my welding magnet thing. Oh, that's good. I'm glad. I knew I put that there for a reason. But anyway, might be able to get that by hand now. Oh, the switch. I'm a right-handed type of guy. Then we'll be able to, well, either way, I gotta clean this fucking thing. Should probably watch my mouth. Oh, it's a long one. Come on. Oh. It's the never ending. I think that cover's in the way. Let's see. I don't know if you can see. But yeah, I'm trying to get this cover up. Trying to get this out. I think it's coming. There might be another one over here somewhere. It's starting to feel like it. Alright. I think there's another one. Of course I can't see a damn thing. It's feeling like, or not. Oh yeah, there is. Yes, there is. Huh. Of course there is. And it looks like it's in a tough spot too. Oh. Alright, hold on. We're getting it here. It's the last one too, so it's gonna give us a hard time. I can't see a damn thing. You don't need to see. What do you need to see for? Oh, Christ. I can't see a damn thing. Hold on. Christ's sakes. I gotta get a light or something. Hold on. Oh, I got you upside down. 1 sec. Huh, sorry. But yeah, I didn't get it from there. I ended up taking it out from, I don't know if you can see that. Right there. What is this guy? It was a slow process. But yeah. So now that we got that light on and it's blinding the shit out of us, I think I can, hoping, without busting anything, that I'm able to get this off. But it does look pretty dirty. Yeah, look how dirty that is. That's pretty dirty, man. All that primer. Man, it's looking like I gotta take this off. I hope not. Alright, give me 1 sec again and I'll try to get this off. Alright, how to take my pressure gauge thing off. Which is no big deal. Got my cup. Now we're gonna peel it, take it off. Of course you can't see a damn thing. It just wouldn't be any, oh yeah. Huh. Hold on, let me grab my, blind it by the light. Look, man. All that fucking dark. Look at. So that's the shit that was blowing on my car. Let's look at the fan. Oh, this fucking light. Yeah. Guaranteed I touched those blades. Oh, I can't fucking light, man. Oh, I'm just so frustrated. Yeah. Look at it as I'm touching it. Look at that. Oh man, look at all that primer. That's so I had this other DA that didn't hook up to my vacuum cleaner. Now I got this awesome DA that hooks up to my vacuum cleaner and there's like no dust, none. A little bit of dust hits the floor, that's about it, but it doesn't go through the atmosphere. I knew it, man. I was thinking, I was telling my wife, there's gotta be shit inside there. I'm betting on it. Or it could be inside the tank. Which I don't know about that one, but yeah. I know there's shit in here too. But yeah, look at that. Look at it. Yeah. Look, you just touch it. So imagine this thing spinning around, I guess. Blowing out on here? It's gotta be. Like, that's insane. lack of maintenance, man. Like I said, I've never... It's like a sandbox in there. Bet you that whatever is gonna break up to. Oh yeah, oh my goodness, wait until I bring the light to this. I don't know if you could see that. See that? Let me get my finger in there. I gotta just... Huh. Yeah. Yeah. Well, Houston, I think we have a problem. Like, look at that. I'm sure I could blow out in there too, but all this has got to be wiped out. All this in here is going to be, and I'll get a way better paint job, primer job anyway. Because like I said, when I first got it, I sprayed the Mustang a few times, and everything went on great. Jeez. Oh my goodness. That's thick, man. Honest, seriously, even the blades. Look at that. Well, yeah, no, it's bad, huh? That's just horrible. Wonder how I take this off. I have no idea how to take it off. I have no idea. I don't even want to attempt it. No, my luck, I'll break it. Well, I'm gonna have to scrape that.
A malicious MCP server, a poisoned data set that's all it could take to bring down
Oh my goodness.
AI strategy.
Christ.
Requires protection at every layer. To meet system-guided mesh firewall, a highly distributed which to protect applications.
Christ.
Security architected for the AI-driven era.
Damn it.
Hearing life understood. I don't just want to keep hearing my voice. Book a free hearing test with a hearing life.
Alright, well. It looks like I'm scraping and stuff. I gotta get that cleaned out. Alright, give me a sec. Way better. Look how nice that looks now. Even clean back here, and I don't know if you guys are seeing, I can't even tell. But yeah, I cleaned all around it, wiped it all down. It's like brand new. Can't complain now, man. But yeah, lack of maintenance. Gotta stay on this shit. Oh, sorry. Damn it. We'll try to get this guy back on with one hand. That's pretty much it. I gotta get that in there. This goes up here, I think. Yeah, that goes in there. gonna try to get this in here. Something like that. Huh. Well, I guess I should have wiped that down a little bit better. Alright, hold on. Oh, she's all cleaned up. All cleaned up. Everything's good now. Much, much better. Cleaned up all down there too. But yeah, she's clean. Actually took me a little bit longer than I thought. Yeah, it took me a while. Oh, whew. But yeah, I'm glad I did it. So yeah, lack of maintenance. Got to stay on your maintenance, man. But I think that's going to wrap this one up. Right on. Everybody have a good night. And thank you.